Welcome to the ZentrixSys-AI Quiz Challenge. 5 questions, 4 options each, 1 correct answer. Can you get all 5 right? Pause the video to think, then watch the answer reveal. Let's go. Question 1. Your smartphone suggests the next word while you type a WhatsApp message. Which technology is behind this feature? Here are your options. A. Microsoft Excel formulas. B. Artificial intelligence AI, specifically natural language processing. C. Bluetooth connectivity. D. The phone's battery management system. Here's a hint. Think about which technology helps machines understand and generate human language. Pause now and think. The correct answer is B. Your phone's keyboard uses AI, specifically a branch called natural language processing, NLP, to predict the next word based on patterns learned from millions of sentences. Apps like Google Gboard and SwiftKey use ML models trained on text data to make these predictions. This is one of the simplest everyday examples of AI you already use. India has over 800 million smartphone users. Almost all of them use AI-powered keyboards daily without even realizing it. Question 2. Training a powerful AI model like GPT-4 requires thousands of specialized chips. Which computer component is most critical for training AI models? Here are your options. A. Hard disk drive HDD, because AI needs lots of storage. B. RAM, because AI needs working memory. C. GPU, graphics processing unit, because AI needs massive parallel processing, because AI needs a display to learn. Here's a hint. This chip was originally designed for gaming graphics but turned out to be perfect for AI's matrix math. Pause now and think. The correct answer is C. GPUs are the heroes of AI training. Unlike CPUs that process tasks one by one, GPUs can perform thousands of calculations simultaneously, parallel processing. Training GPT-4 reportedly used around 25,000 NVIDIA A100 GPUs. Companies like NVIDIA, founded by Jensen Huang, are now worth over $2 trillion, largely thanks to AI demand for GPUs. NVIDIA's AI GPUs are so in demand that Indian startups are renting cloud GPUs from AWS and Azure to build their own AI models. Question 3. Which of these popular Indian apps uses AI to personalize your experience? Here are your options. A. Zomato. AI recommends restaurants and estimates delivery time. B. IRCTC. The website design uses AI. Calculator app. It uses AI for addition. D. Torch. Flashlight app. It uses AI to control brightness. Here's a hint. Think about which app learns from your behavior to show you different results than your friend. Pause now and think. The correct answer is A. Zomato uses AI extensively. Its recommendation engine analyzes your order history, location, time of day, and ratings to suggest restaurants you'll love. It also uses AI to estimate delivery times by factoring in traffic, restaurant prep time, and rider availability. Other Indian apps using AI include Swiggy, delivery optimization, Flipkart, product recommendations, and Cred, spending insights. India's AI market is projected to reach $17 billion by 2027. Learning AI now puts you ahead of millions in the job market. Question 4. You want to start building AI projects. Which programming language should you learn first? Here are your options. A. HTML. It's the language of websites. B. Python. It's the #1 language for AI and machine learning. C. Scratch. It's used by professional AI engineers. D. Binary. Zeros and ones. You must code in machine language for AI. Here's a hint. This language is named after a comedy group, Monty Python, and is famous for being easy to read. Pause now and think. The correct answer is B. Python is the undisputed king of AI. Over 90% of AI and machine learning projects use Python. Why? It's easy to learn, reads almost like English, has powerful libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and has a massive community. That's exactly why Module B of ZentrixSys training focuses entirely on Python programming. Companies like Google, Netflix, Instagram, and Izro all use Python. At ZentrixSys, you'll write your first Python AI program in Module 0B and build a complete AI project by Module 5. Question 5. You're a student with no high-end computer, but you want to train an AI model. What free tool lets you use a GPU in the cloud? Here are your options. A. Microsoft Paint. It has hidden AI features. B. Google Colab. Free Jupyter notebooks with GPU access in your browser. C. Notepad. You can write AI code in a text editor. D. WhatsApp Web. It secretly provides GPU access. Here's a hint. This Google tool gives you a free Jupyter notebook with GPU. No installation needed. Pause now and think. The correct answer is B. Google Colab, colab.research.google.com, is a game changer for students. It provides free access to Jupyter notebooks with GPU-TPU acceleration, all in your browser. No installation, no expensive hardware needed. You can write Python code, train ML models, and even fine-tune large language models, all for free. It's the great equalizer. A student in Coimbatore has the same tools as a researcher at Stanford. In the ZentrixSys 6-month program, you'll use Google Colab extensively to build real AI projects, starting from zero in hardware costs. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more AI challenges every week. Want to master AI from scratch? Join the ZentrixSys-AI AI training program. 15-day, 1-month, 3-month, and 6-month programs available. WhatsApp us at 956-650-6397 or check the link in the description. See you in the next video.